something for everybody. All new today on The Doctors. Eliminate back pain in just 20 minutes. Prevent drunk driving with a visit to the restroom.
This thing is so shocking that maybe it jolts you out of your buzz.
And
Can they use it on back pain, leg pain, menstrual cramps?
the brand new device you can't live without.
What it does, it just resets the whole energy field around the body.
Then, this is your stomach, and this is your stomach on food poisoning. Any questions?
That is why science is so cool.
Plus, it's proven to remove wrinkles, and it isn't a cream. Find out what it is and how you can get it.
Give me the news. It's showtime.
Welcome to The Doctors. Thank you so very much for being here. Backaches, jaw pain, constant ear popping, and upset stomach. You know, we've all been there, and that's why today we're giving you information on how to reduce your pain with the latest breakthrough procedures, prevent sickness with cutting-edge gadgets, and even reverse signs of aging with the newest products. So we're going to get right into it, because did you know that as many as 100 million Americans suffer from chronic pain? Trying everything from surgical procedures to acupuncture, medications, even hypnosis. Well, periodontist Dr. Moldovan is back in our procedure room with her patient, Sanda, who suffers from excruciating TMJ pain. So, Dr. Moldovan, you've been using this device on your patients with TMJ pain?
That's right, Travis. I've been using this device for over a year now, and the nice thing about it is it takes the pain without any side effects. It works just like Chinese medicine. It's based on the meridian pathways that are in our body. You know, our body is just an electrical being, basically. So what it does is just like it's a reset button for the energy to flow freely in our body. Because pain, what really is, it's actually just a blockage of energy. And you know, I used it on myself as well, and that's what made me a believer, because it took my pain away in literally 10 to 12 minutes.
Oh, wow.
And you're putting the device on the shoulders, but you're trying to alleviate the pain in her TMJ or jaw joint. Can you explain how that works?
Definitely. You know, what happens is the TMJ pain is actually not because of the pain right here. It's usually all connected. So, you know, the neck and the musculature of the neck with the face, it's all connected. So sometimes TMJ patients even have pain down their back. So what I actually did before this treatment, I treated her to put her in alignment with energy.
We're going to check back in and see how the treatment on Sanda is going. I do want to move on.
Next, the doctors get scientific about your antacids.
It's like you had the heartburn and then it went away.
And later, a modern take on an ancient treatment.
What it does, it just resets the whole energy field around the body.
Welcome back. We're talking about the latest breakthrough procedures and products hitting the market and how they may reduce pain and prevent sickness. Who doesn't, after all, have a little bit of pain from time to time, whether it's neck pain, maybe your ear hurts, a headache? Well, earlier in the show, we met Sanda, who's been suffering from jaw pain due to TMJ. She was testing out a new device to help alleviate the pain. Dr. Moldovan is here to help explain not only what TMJ is, but how a device like this may help someone like Sanda.
Yeah, you know, Sanda's been suffering for quite a few years for TMJ pain, and it doesn't just stay in the jaw. It actually affects the neck muscles.
The entire head and neck.
Exactly. And the nice thing about this device is that it doesn't have any side effects, and it really balances out the energy that's really disturbed when we have pain.
Let's talk about what TMJ is.
So really the TMJ, or the temporomandibular joint, which is a mouthful, is really a joint, and it's the most complex joint in the body. And because it doesn't just move like a knee, but it's free floating. It could go forward and sideways.
That's why you can dislocate it.
Exactly.
It's forward, falls out of its
How
little...
you can do this. Right?
Yeah. So what happens is...
Little anatomy lesson here, huh?
Temporomandibular disorders, what happens is actually there's a stress here in the joint that actually affects not only the disc, which you see here in blue, but also the muscles of the side of the face and the back of the neck, because it's really all connected. So what happens is people that are stressed out, and let's face it, there's so much stress out there today, I think we're going to see more and more TMJ problems in the future.
And so you were saying that this device, which, you know, with pain like this, you're looking to do things that don't have side effects. But the theory and how it works is what again?
It's really based on energy. So, you know, we all know that matters equals energy, especially today. Traditional Chinese medicine really chose the meridian pathway. So you have pain, for example, in your elbow, and that pain is not, it's a disturbance in the energy field. And what happens is, by using the MyHealth device in that area, you're actually getting increased circulation and you're getting increased hydration in the joint.
Well, what Dr. Moldovan is talking about has been around for years. This is Chinese ancient medicine, the idea of qi and energy moving through your body. So it's neat that you're actually using a device that takes ancient practices into consideration, because we're also Western medicine based. So, like, what types of successes are you having? Can they use it on back pain, leg pain, menstrual cramps? I mean, can this be used on any type of pain, or is this just something for TMJ?
It works on all pain because all pain is the same. It's a disturbance in energy at an atomic level, really. So what it does, it just resets the whole energy field around the body. So I use it for surgical pain. I use it for TMJ pain. I use it for toothache, for example. I use it for after workout, for example. You could use it for that. So it works really well so far.
It is interesting how, you know, more and more studies will look at Eastern medicine, acupuncture for, say, migraine headache pain, and it's superior in many cases to pills and whatnot.
Effects.
And so there's something to looking for alternatives that don't have the quote-unquote side effects that we traditionally associate with medicines, et cetera. Sandra, have to ask, how are you feeling?
I feel like I just had an hour massage. It's amazing.
Really?
I came in, yeah, I have a lot of tension in my neck and in my jaws. I have extremely strong jaws.
Yeah.
And I've been using this, she's been using it on me, I don't know how long, half an hour, and I just want to curl up and take a nap.
When she's using that, do you feel tingling or anything? Is it?
Because it is a mild
Occasionally-
electric pulse, right?
Yeah, you get a little zip.
Exactly. So the machine, what happens is it works dual mode. It has a microcurrent that goes through it, and you actually feel like a little tingling. And it also has a pulsed electromagnetic field, kind of like little waves of energy. And you don't have to use it necessarily on the body.
Okay, now, so my mom is going to be asking me, where can she get this? I mean, so do people buy this? Do you have to go to someone's office to get this done? I mean, where?
That's a great question, and it's nice that this technology I can actually prescribe to a patient. So we can prescribe it, and they can have it at home, learn how to use it. And yes, yeah.
It's worth a shot.
It's great.
Absolutely.
Dr. Moldovan, thank you so much. Time
Thank
for
you
class
for
with
having me.
veterans coming up.